means reducing waste. Basically, lean is being borrowed from the manufacturing industry and especially from Toyota. They have just customized this and then and made it as agile concept. See, when we are talking about lean, the core concepts are eliminate waste. We will cover what are the different types of waste they are talking about. See, waste means what? Anything which is not adding value is waste. So they say eliminate waste, empower the team. This is obviously understandable. Deliver fast. So we are going to build the products in increments, right? So naturally we are delivering fast. Optimize the whole. You're not going to look into just the units which is working, but you're going to see as a whole whether it is working fine or not, and then build quality in. See, build quality in is build. See, it is not about you identifying a defect and then correcting a defect. What they say is build the product, design the product in such a way it is not letting the defect to happen in the first instance, right? This is what is build quality in. To make it simple, we can say prevention is better than inspection. That is, preventing a defect is better than using inspection, identifying a defect and rectifying the defect, right? And then deferred decision. See, deferred decision is delay your decision. See, sometimes delaying your decision can be helpful. So let me ask a question. See, you may be doing your online shopping. Is there any instance where you regretted buying online? You thought like, okay, I don't need this. Why did I buy? Was there any instance? Yes, right? But what if you would have delayed the buying process? See, today you see there is something, maybe you move it in the cart and then you say like, okay, maybe tomorrow I will just check up and then buy it. See, I would say 99% you may not buy it, right? So that is just an example to say sometimes delaying the decision helps. Not every time, but sometimes, right? Amplify learning. They say like ensure the learning is being, there is focus on learning. Okay, these are the lean core concepts. See, lean is not a methodology. Here it is only the core concepts. We are just trying to imbibe into the agile practice. So when we are talking about eliminate waste, what are the different types of waste? Partially done work. See, any work which is partially done and you do not continue that, it is waste, right? And then extra processes. See, anything for the sake of doing would be an extra, would not be of any use. See, let's take in your organization, you need to get approval from a particular department. It is just for namesake. Anytime you ask, they just approve it. Then this additional process, additional step, additional time is actually a waste. Extra features, any features which is not used is a waste. Task switching. See, generally they say multitasking is good, but generally if you ask, multitasking is actually a waste. See, just imagine you're drafting an email, you have just typed some 3 lines. Now there is a call, you go and attend the call. Let's take it is taking 10 minutes. And now when you come back to continue your email, you may not continue from where you left. You may reread, restructure it, and it may take some time for your mind to set into the email. So this is all waste of time. But just imagine you are drafting an email, you sit continuously, you complete it and then go ahead with the call. Then there is more effective way of using your time. So multitasking actually is not helping. It is a waste. Waiting for approval, waiting for material, waiting for some design, waiting for somebody's consent. All these are waste of time. Motion is movement. Maybe the warehouse is in a different location and your production unit is in a different location, right? So movement of this product from there to here, right? It's a waste. So maybe your files, your informations are moving from one department or one person to another person. So all these movement are waste. Finally, defect. Naturally, defect is a waste. So what they say, these are the 7 types of waste, which if you eliminate, you can improve your efficiency, you can save time. As I gave an example, in an online shopping, not necessarily you have to immediately take an action, right? Sometimes if you delay, you may end up with a better decision. Sometimes not taking any action itself or a decision itself can be a better decision, correct? Not every time. It is not in the literal sense. Sometimes delaying the decision can be a better decision. Got it? Not every time. Right?